them. When you go see a live performance, don't go on the stage as the show is starting to charge your phone, because that seriously happened, and let's just say the cast and crew wasn't too thrilled. Hey guys, I'm Leigh Scheps, and this is Buzz 60. At the Broadway play Hand to God, Playbill reports an audience member climbed onto the set right before the curtain rose to plug in his cell phone into an electrical outlet. The worst part is, the outlet was fake. A fellow paying patron posted his frustration on Facebook, writing, quote, "Moron, has theater etiquette, heck, common sense really fallen that far?" End quote. Even some cast members took to Twitter to berate the guy with hashtag idiot, and an electrical socket that's part of the set of the play is not for you to charge your iPhone. Producers of the show have now created this social media ad poking fun at what happened, saying the audience really phoned it in that night. But let's give the charging crasher some credit here. Perhaps he was just trying to break the fourth wall? Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.